Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will be providing the complete step on how to complete a ServiceNow internship, guys. So I will be providing the link of this website in the description. You just go there and log in here. After login, come to here skill bank, and after coming to skill bank, click on virtual internship. After coming to virtual internship program, see here ServiceNow system administrator will be written here. You just scroll down and click on this checkbox for free, then it will come here in the top. So now click on add to cart, and after clicking on add to cart, it will take you in new website, and here click on view detail, and under view detail scroll down, and after scrolling down click on this checkbox, and after clicking on this checkbox click on apply. Then it will take you to your AICTE page. Here you just log in. If you haven't signed in here, sign in, guys. This is one of the most important website for a student. Here you just enroll it, because do fast, guys, because there are only 15,000 seats here. If you will click on add to cart and then scroll down, click on view detail, and you can see here, guys, it's only 15,000 openings are here. So as soon as possible, if you are able to do it, you just do it, guys, because ServiceNow is one of the most valuable platform which companies ask for. A student should be knowing that. If you know anything about ServiceNow and they are coming for ServiceNow, you can opt for that, guys. It's very important for you to know something about ServiceNow or Salesforce, guys, because nowadays most of the companies ask for it. If they are not asking, and if you are writing this in your resume, there is a more chance of your resume getting shortlisting for that company, guys. So do complete this. So if you are interested in IT company, you should definitely go opt for these courses, guys. If you want the solution, see, after 15th February, I think you will get an email from the sales ServiceNow team. You have to complete 2 courses there. You come to my channel, here you can find it under playlist welcome to ServiceNow. This is the course 1 you have to complete, and the second course is micro certification welcome to ServiceNow. These 2 courses. See, in first playlist there is only 8 video, and in second playlist only 7 videos, guys. Not even a 3-minute videos are there. So if you are interested in your future placements, do go with these kind of internship, guys. It will help you a lot, guys. If you have any kind of query, you just comment it in the comment section. I will be providing the answers as soon as possible, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.